Let's give you the numbers from Karnataka as well. 9 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in Karnataka. The number of cases has now risen to 598, inching very close to the 600 mark in Karnataka. 2 COVID-19 cases each have been reported from Tumukuru as well as Vijayapura. 1 case each from Bengaluru, Bagalkot, Chikbalapur, Bidar as well as Belagavi. Yesterday, no fresh cases were reported from Bengaluru, but today another case has come to light from the city. Let's also give you details of the patients. Patient 590 is an 82-year-old from Bidar who passed away. He was suffering from severe acute respiratory illness. Meanwhile, patient 591 is a 40-year-old from Tumukuru, a contact of 2 other patients who had tested positive. 2 cases have come to light from Tumukuru today. Patient number 592 is also from Tumukuru, a 29-year-old female. Now, from Chikbalapur as well, 2 more cases have come to light. In fact, 1 case has come to light, a 54-year-old from Chikbalapur who has tested positive. A secondary contact of another patient, a case from Vijayapura where a 22-year-old has tested positive. Now, from Vijayapura, a 45-year-old male has also tested positive. In Vijayapura, a cluster of cases all from one source, patient number 221 who passed away due to COVID-19 in Vijayapura. Several cases have been reported. In Belagavi as well, a case being reported with a 23-year-old male testing positive. Apart from that, from Bagalkot, a 45-year-old female has also tested positive. In Bengaluru urban, a 32-year-old female has tested positive. Again, a contact of another patient who had tested positive previously. So even now, in the random testing, although 3 people tested positive in Bengaluru, other than that, over 48 samples that were taken, the others have all tested negative.